Seeing your little one struggle with a cough can be incredibly stressful, especially when they're just 6 months old. You're likely asking, what is a safe 6-month baby cough treatment? Many parents seek gentle, effective options. For infants 6 months and older, Hyland's Baby Mucus and Cold Relief offers a trusted choice. It's specifically formulated to help clear mucus and soothe coughs without harsh ingredients, providing comfort when your baby needs it most. This gentle approach helps your little one breathe easier and rest better. Give your baby the relief they deserve. Click the link below to learn more and purchase Hyland's Baby Mucus and Cold Relief. Your peace of mind and your baby's comfort are just a click away. Subscribe for more.